Okay, you guys, I was asked to do a cooking video of some of the stuff that I've been making, and today I'm gonna make chicken taco. So I've already cut up my red pepper, and it's about a tablespoon. So now I'm gonna cut up my jalapeno pepper. And since the seeds are in the other pepper, I'm going to take those out. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slice it. And then I'm just going to chop it in half. And I'm going to use one whole pepper because I like my stuff to be spicy. So there's my peppers. And then I'm going to come back and show you how I chop my chicken. And I'm going to use a little bit of this McCormick's chili seasoning. I'm just going to use a teaspoonful to go into my chicken. So I'll come back and show y'all when I'm chopping my chicken. Okay, so I already have my chicken washed and pre-packaged. I split the bundle up when I buy it, and this is 4 ounces. And so, got my towel off to the side here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it. I've already removed the fat. Okay, so you guys, I didn't realize the camera had cut off, but this is what it looks like when it's all chopped. And I'm probably going to do another chop once I get it going. I'll probably end up doing another chop so I have enough to fill 2 lettuce leaves. Alright, I'll be back when I'm getting it all done. So, okay, I got my pan. And I'm going to spray a little bit of this cooking spray. It's olive oil. And I do use it. I haven't had a problem. 0 calories, 0 sugars all the way down. So put that in there. Put my peppers in there. I'm just gonna get my peppers first. I think I got my pan too hot. Okay. And I'll be right back. Okay, so these are the seasonings that I'm going to use. I'm going to use black pepper, some, I'm not going to use that because I already got pepper in there, garlic powder, and just some soul seasoning. And that's what I'm going to use to season my chicken. Sorry, y'all. Okay. And that should do it. And I'll be back. Let me wash my hands and I will be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I'm cooking my chicken now. And I do cook it on high because I like to get a little bit of crisp to my chicken. And so, like I said, I was probably gonna do a little bit more chopping once I get it in the pan, so I could have enough to make 2 tacos. Okay, that's about ready. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And then I'm gonna add my 1 teaspoon. And I'm gonna let that simmer together till it thickens up a little bit. And I will be back with the final product. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. There's 2 chicken taco wraps with my lettuce as being the taco and the chicken and the peppers mixed in. And then I'm gonna add, I already added a tablespoon of the Hertz salsa, and it has 10 calories, and it has I can't get it, but anyway, 10 calories per 2 tablespoons, and it has less than 1 gram of sugar. So I've used it before and I didn't have a problem, so it'll be okay. And I'm gonna add a 1 tablespoon to each one, and that'll be just 20 calories. Okay, well, that was chicken tacos. I hope y'all like it. I'll add the calories somewhere in the video. I'll tell you total calories. Alright, talk to y'all next video.